How to contact a seller on Mercari. Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can contact a seller on Mercari. So if this is your question, make sure you watch this video to the end. The first step is to find the item whose seller you would like to contact. You just find the item and click on the item. So once you're on the items page, next step is to select the item itself, right? Now you can see different categories. So select the exact item whose seller would like to contact. And then you wait for page to load. So once the listing page of the item is displayed where you can see details about the item, just scroll down until you can see the seller's username and click on that. By clicking on that, you'll be brought to seller's profiles page. So on this page, you can see the seller's username, you can see details about the seller. Now, in order for you to contact a seller on Mercari, you have to ensure that you have an account with Mercari and that you have logged into the account. So once you are logged into the account, on this page, you will see the option contact seller on this page, or send seller a message or something related to contacting the seller. You'll see it displayed on the screen. All right, you'll see it displayed on the screen. So once you see that option, click on it, and then a chat window will be opened. And once the chat window is opened, you can then type your message to the seller, asking any questions or even making an offer. And then tap on the send button to send your message. Another thing is that you can just easily click on the make an offer option on the products page. All right, just by clicking on make an offer, you will be taken to the chat window of the seller, and then you can go ahead to make your offer. So that is it. That's how you can contact the seller or a particular product on Mercari. Thank you for watching and have a good day.